Of late, I've been working on a bunch of different spoons, scoops, dippers, whatever you want to call them, in various designs. Some are stainless steel, others are low carbon steel. Some that I've shown are complete, others like these are still works in progress. Other than giving as gifts, I've got an idea to maybe sell some of these here in Taiwan on a platform called Shopee, which is sort of like Taiwan's Amazon. The purpose of today's video is I want to do a sort of different handle twist on one of these, and I want to use this threaded rod. I forget why I even bought this, but I'll cut off a 6-inch section. I'll first quickly make a bowl, and this stainless steel is thin enough that I can start it cold. I need to give a big shout out to Clint's Hobbies DIY for his latest very generous donation to the channel. I don't do any sort of paid promotions, and so direct supporters help to keep this channel going. Thanks so much. So now on to the main focus of this video. This bolt is obviously galvanized. I don't know what steel a threaded rod or a bolt like this is made from, but typically I find these to be pretty soft. So I know I've probably done this before, though I can't remember, and this is the main thing that I want to do, is to twist this and see how it turns out. At this point, I'm not sure how well you can make that out, but it looks like a DNA spiral. Pretty interesting. I'm making a small square tenon here so I can join the handle to the bowl. I just want to get this started cold so that I can join the pieces. They don't have to be tight, but I can put it in the forge, pull it out, and they'll stay together. Right now it doesn't look it, but it's hot. I just want to peen that tenon one more time to make sure it's nice and tight. The bowl is 304 stainless, as I said. The handle, an unknown steel. I'm just going to leave it bare like that and see how it holds up to oxidation. So there it is, another finished scoop, and possibly one I can list in my Shopee store. The main thing is this threaded rod DNA spiral twist really does look nice. I think the average person would really appreciate a handmade item like this. As you know, got a lot more fooling around to do.